Okay, so I just had a really epic conversation with Sarah. I'm gonna show you. Okay, it started off normal with what's up. So I said the sky. And she's like, that's nice. I was like, no, it's not. Because when it falls, we're gonna get crushed or smushed. It's gonna be horrible. She's back. You don't know that. I've never just walked in a million years. Me and Sarah are not normal people. What about the cows? And their milky sprays will squirt. Oh my god, this is so funny. Yeah, I went back because I was going too fast. Hey, wait, what just happened? Hold up. Okay. Yep. Pretty epic.